Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extrude, select the right plane, select line here. Create on rough sketch. Give the dimensions. This is 40, this is 20, this is 80 and this is 20. Finish sketch. Extrude up to 70 mm. Select this surface, sketch. Create one circle here. Give the dimensions 30 and 20. 35 and 25. The height is 50 and 65 mm. Here to here 65 and height is 50 mm. This dimensions is 35 this is 25 mm. Finish sketch. Extrude. Here reverse the direction first. Here you can see there is a 25 mm offset and this length we required 50 mm. Next select the offset here. Give the dimension 25 mm, reverse the offset. Okay. Control 7. Next select this surface, sketch. Join this line also. Give the dimensions here to here. This is 15 and height is 35 mm. Next here to here 35 mm. Next give the tangent constraint here. Select convert entities, select this circle, okay. Trim entities, trim the remaining circle. Control 7, extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is you can see 15 mm. Next select this surface, sketch. There is a 2 slots, 2 point slot. Give the dimensions. The slot length is 20 mm. Distance is 25 and 15 mm, pitch is 25 mm. This is 20, this is also 20, the pitch is 25 mm. Next, here to here 25, here to here 15 mm. Okay, this is 35 and this is 25. The diameter is 5. We can give the equal constraint here. From the side we need to give one dimension here, 15 mm. So sketch is fully defined. Finish sketch. Extruded cut. Here we can select through all. Okay. Control 7. So that's it, friends. Can assign the material here. So in the steel, so many materials, standard materials. I will go with cast stainless steel. You can see the properties. Apply. Edit appearances. Apply. Select faces here. Remove this. Select these faces. Change some color. Okay. So that's it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting again, please do subscribe my channel and support my friends. Thanks for watching this session. We'll see you in the next session.